Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dusk token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Dusk is a privacy focused layer 1 blockchain designed to bring regulated financial markets and real world data assets RWAs on chain with built-in compliance. Privacy with compliance. It uses zero knowledge proofs ZKPs to enable confidential transactions and smart contracts that remain auditable for regulators. Modular architecture. The network is built as a unified stack with separate layers for settlement, Ethereum compatibility, and high privacy applications. Institutional focus. Its core use Institutional focus. Its core use case is the compliant tokenization and trading of securities and other financial instruments. Dusk token total supplies 500 million and circulating supplies around 496.99 million Dusk token. Dusk token is listed on Binance, KuCoin, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.